Well, you're looking at a Weldotron shrink wrap L-bar sealer and heat tunnel brought to you by Landco. This is the Weldotron model 5201A. You can see the L-bar sealer here. Unit has been tested and is fully operational. We'll need a new conveyor belt. It does come with a roll of film. Tunnel is currently in operation. It does have heat settings on here up to 550 degrees. You can control the conveyor speed as well. Unit works very nicely. It's a 220 volt single phase machine. Capacity of the conveyor for part size is 18 inches by 15 inches. Once again, this is a L-bar sealer and heat shrink tunnel brought to you by Landco. We'll now operate it for you. And just made a nice seal on it. If you're interested in this L-bar sealer, heat shrink tunnel, or any other metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Landco at 616-887-8300, online at www.landco-corp.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.